Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll see how we can simplify JavaScript code with logical assignment and optional operators. The logical assignment operators bring syntactic sugar over verbose syntax, which enforced us to write explicit if statements. Now, thanks to the new operators like OR, and null coalescing operator, we can express the conditional logic in a more concise way. Over here, let's explore each of them one by one. So here we have the logical OR assignment. Now, you can see that over here we are having a variable a which is assigned the value null. Now here we are saying a with a logical OR operator equals 10, which means over here a is null, which in a way is a false, and in that case it's going to assign the value 10 to the variable a, and here when we do a console log, the output is going to come as 10. So if the value is falsy, this is going to assign the value 10 to the variable a. Similarly, let's consider over here b variable, which is already having a value 5. So in this case, b is already having a value. That means it's not falsy, it's truthy. In that case, it's going to skip this assignment, and here when we'll do the console log, we'll get the output as 5. And that's what you see over here in the browser output as well. Now, coming on to the next operator, that's the logical and an assignment operator. Here, you can see when we have a variable that's x equals 5, and when we write it in this way, x and equals 10. So in this case, x is 5, which is truthy. So when we do this AND operator, this is going to assign the value 10 to variable x. So whenever the value is true, in that case, the assignment will take place, and here the output will come as 10. There you go. Now over here we have value of variable y set to 0, and when we do the logical AND assignment over here, so y being 0 is treated as falsy, and since it's falsy, the assignment will not take place and the value of y will remain 0, and here you can see the output in the browser as well. The next one is the nullish coalescing assignment or null coalescing assignment operator. So here we have a variable p, and when we are saying p with the null coalescing operator, in this case p is undefined. So the assignment takes place and the value of the variable p is then set to 10. That's what you see over here. Similarly, when q is set to null, then also the assignment takes place and the value is shown as 20. Now here we are assigning r equals 0. In this case, r is set to 0, but 0 is neither null nor undefined. So in this case, the value of r remains 0, and the output, as you can see over here, is set to 0. Now if we go ahead and try comparing it with the traditional if statement, we can see that instead of logical OR assignment, we will have to write this piece of code, and then we will get the same output. Similarly, with the logical AND assignment, the traditional way was to write something like this, where the value of x traditional was set to 5, and then if it's true, then the value was updated to 10. Similarly, for null coalescing, the traditional approach was to check for null or undefined, and then if that's the case, the assignment takes place and the output is logged in the console. So this way, the logical assignment operators provide a more concise and readable way to perform these common patterns.